Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get help in the Duolingo app. First, we have to open up Duolingo, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our courses and our lessons. From here we just go into the profile menu, then we go into the top right corner and tap on the cog icon, and then under support we tap on help center. And here it's going to open up some frequent questions, and here we can get some help about whatever problem we have, or we can submit a bug if we still haven't found the answer to our question. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.